Part 2. How specific can the identity get? Vary. You can go as far as figuring out exact species, pelt colors, skin color, eye color, if it's albino or has some other sort of color variation. But not all Therians can figure out all of that, and many may only be able to figure out what family they're a part of. Terms. Theriatype, the animal a Therian identifies as. Dairy objects, accessories that Therians use to help affirm their identity. Quadrobics, a sport. Zoophile, a person who is attracted to animals in an NSFW manner. Alterhuman, a person who identifies as something other than an animal. Plantgen, an individual who identifies as a plant. Fictionken, an individual who identifies as a fiction-shown being, such as a character-specific type such as Sonic the Hedgehog, or a fictional species such as an orc or vampire. Otherhearted, identifying with a creature instead of as a creature. Example, dragon-hearted. Otherkin, identifying as a fictional creature such as a dragon. Were, an old term that used to refer to therianthropes, derived from werewolves. This term is rarely used. Coping links, people who choose to identify as an animal or creature to help with depression, anxiety, trauma, or day-to-day struggles. It is not the same as therianthrope or otherkin. Polytherian, having more than one theriatype. Cladotherian, identifying as a whole group rather than a specific species. Example, identifying as a bird rather than a crow or magpie. Cantherian, a Therian whose animal and human side are intertwined and don't experience shifts as they are constantly stable on both sides. Awakening, the process of someone discovering and realizing that they are an alter-human. Anti-someone who is actively against alter-humans and tend to seek out content created by alter-humans to ridicule and hate on them. Shifting, feeling, sensing or having an experience that relates to their non-human identity for a long period of time. Not all alter-humans experience this. Mental shift, when a person's mind changes to be more like their kintypes and may think and act more like their kintype. Phantom shift, when alter-humans' limbs change to feel more like their kintypes. Astral shifting, experiencing an out-of-body experience and travels to another world or spiritual plane as their kintype. More often experienced as a spiritual type alter-human. Aura shift, when the auric or energy field around an individual changes to one of their kintypes. Berserker, feral shifting, when an individual loses full control of their body, mind, and becomes more like their kintype. This is normally seen as a mental disorder from alter-humanity. Sensory shift, when a person's senses change to fit that of their kintype, causing their senses to be duller or stronger. Voluntary shifting, when a person consciously makes themselves shift by listening to music, meditation, or by means. Involuntary shifting, when a person unconsciously shifts.